Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to add a fully working contact form in your Wix website so that visitors can easily get in touch with you. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important setup steps. If you don't have an account on Wix, I will put my affiliate link down in the description. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for wix.com. Over here, if you already have an account on Wix, you need to provide your login credentials and log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you need to create one. Now, this will be your Wix dashboard, where in order to access the Wix website editor, you need to simply click on the design site option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now your theme will be opened just like so. This is your Wix editor. Over here, you need to just hover over to the left hand section and click on the option of add elements. In add elements, you can either just scroll down and try to find the contact form over here. But since there are a lot of options available, you can also use the search bar here in the top and search for contact form. Now, once you click on the contact form, you will see a bunch of different contact forms templates, which you can basically just drag and drop and start using it right away. So here you need to select which type of content form template you want to use. Now, let's say I want to use this simple contact form over here. So I'm going to just click on it, and it is going to take some time to add the Wix form over here. Now this is the Wix form that it has created for us. Now you can basically click on this particular form, and you can click on the edit form option, and you can just simply select or edit the tabs that you want to change over here. So based on your requirements and your editing skills, you can change anything over here. For example, instead of writing a message, if you want to add the description or any other thing, you can simply do it. But for me, it is quite good. Once you are editing, click on the save option in the top right hand corner, and this is how you can basically add and customize a contact form on your Wix website. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.